Yo, what's good, everybody? Today we're going to be going over daily bias and conditions. So obviously, every trading day, like before you're even looking for a trade, you got to either have a daily bias going into the day or a condition set so that you know which direction that you want to trade. And honestly, it's a lot easier to find than a lot of traders make it out to be. It should only take you like no more than 3, maybe 5 minutes a day before the market opens to figure it out. So let's get into it. The first is how to find your daily bias. Finding your daily bias should be simple and quick. And to find a daily bias, we're going to look at a high time frame candle closures, price action, which is really just like gaps, and sequential SMT, which I just posted a video explaining that if you don't know what that is. So if a high time frame candle, usually like a daily candle is what I would look at, closes above or below the previous candle's wick, we can expect the next candle to continue that trend. And after we see that, we can check the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame and see, okay, are we respecting gaps in any direction? How is price moving? And lastly, after that, just check if we have any sequential SMT supporting our idea. So going into a day, we can look at the previous day's candle right here, closes above the days before that wick. So that alone, we can expect, okay, I want to see price go higher. I want to see higher prices. I want longs. So now we're going to go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, what are we doing? We're trading from this gap here. We're respecting that. We created a new week opening gap this week, and we've completely inversed through that. So again, that's just another reason, okay, I want to be long now. And next we can go to the 15-minute time frame here. And on the 15-minute time frame, we had a daily cycle sequential SMT right here. And ever since that daily cycle, we respected that and continue to trade higher. So after you see all that, this is what the next daily candle looks like. We open, we barely create a wick at the low, and we're just going to trade higher off of that. So on a lot of days, you'll see it's very simple to find the bias using this. In the days that it's not, and you're kind of conflicted, you can see price going either way, this is when we can use conditions. So what are conditions? If you can't find the daily bias, like I said in the last 3 steps, we'll set a condition. A condition is an if-then statement. If I see this, then I will do this. It's that simple. So you set your condition to be a gap, preferably like a 5 or 15 minute. That's really all I use for conditions. Sometimes you can use like an hour gap, but that can be too high of a time frame to know exactly like, okay, are we respecting this already? We just tapped it. We could still have 40 minutes on the candle and we could end up coming back into it, so you don't know. So if we trade into the condition, you want to wait for it to either be respected or disrespected and then find an entry in the supporting direction. And an example for that, so we can see here price, we're trading down and we trade up. It could be a little skeptical. You don't know exactly what to do. So first you're going to set your condition. Okay, we have a 15-minute gap right here. This is going to be my new condition now. It's 15-minute gap. So if I see price trade through this gap and inverse it, I'd be willing to take shorts. If I see price trade into this gap and then close back out and respect it, okay, now I can be long. So it's if this, then that. So next step, we come down, we see, okay, we traded into this and then we close out of it, so we respect it. So if we respect this gap and close back out of it, then I want to be long. And then we can see it plays out perfectly. You could have just entered off of this. Okay, we respected this close back, maybe wait for the open low, enter long, and boom, targeted these highs perfectly. So yeah, I mean, it's honestly very simple. Every day it should take you about 5 minutes to find your bias. If not, you can just use this simple approach to set a condition, and it works. I would say 95+% of the time. So I appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. You can also join. I have a free trading community down in the bio or the description. You can join that as well. Any questions? It has free knowledge, free videos, just a free community you can be with. So yeah, appreciate it. Peace.